Okay, we're still cleaning. And this is Spray Away, the world's best glass cleaner. And I'm not going to advertise because they are not paying me, so I can't tell you what all it does. Unless they plan on paying me. So they are not sponsoring me, so I can't go into detail. Okay, now the table is all clean. So we are going to start off with this beautiful vase here, mirror vase. Set that right there. And set these beautiful florals down in there. I'm just going to use one piece of this red maple, but like burgundy maple, to pull out my color. My pop color, baby. Okay. Set that right there. Let you see this. This is a little candle there. A cylinder. Set that right there. See, my elephant goes there. And I showed you guys this on my haul from Burgundy. And let's put that candle there. And we're going to go with the little pumpkin here. Remember, we're keeping that white on my couch, bringing that in. Okay, let's go with some books here. I'm going to use 2 books as my riser. I'm going to set that right there. And come on here, little elephant. Okay, we're going to set her right beside the books. I'm going to go with another cylinder. Setting that right there, baby. And booyah! There come out a fat jaw pumpkin. I'm gonna set her right there. Okay. Okay, guys, here is the finished look. Look at her. Everything turned out so beautifully. Got that burgundy popping in that gold. And here we have that burgundy elephant mixed in with the gold. And the gold Mickey Mouse ears, and the white bringing out the pillow in the couch, and that gold cylinder candle popping in with the gold as well, so it going well with the pop color. And on this side we got that gold cylinder with the elephant with the burgundy and gold popping, and the white bringing out that white in the couch along with the white books and the Mickey Mouse ears. So there you have it, guys. And if you want to see all of these pieces stitched together, go to my living room tour, which is called Burgundy, White, and Gold Living Room Tour. Okay, and also same thing for the end tables. Make sure you stop by those videos and you will see the burgundy, gold, and white end tables. How to style. Once again, that's the burgundy, white, gold end table styling. Okay, thank you for watching.